Hi Prescott family, it's John Van Winkle with Finley Subaru Prescott. Just bringing you a little tip of the day about how to use your memory height feature on the rear liftgate if you have a Subaru that is featured with the memory height option. I have two vehicles. I have the Outback here, which is the newer style, and then we have the Forester, which is the older style of memory height. So we'll start here with the Forester. I'll come around and I'll show you where that button is. And this applies to older Subarus that, prior to the big touchscreen that the Outbacks now have. But down here on the left, next to the steering column, you have the different buttons. It's this one right here, the memory. So if you've ever went to open your lift gate by holding this button and it stops right here, that is the factory memory height. That's what they said it. It's not broken. It just means somebody pushed in your memory height. So if you come over here and undo the memory height button, it will go full opening. I'm gonna go ahead and show you though how we can program a memory height on this vehicle. So if you have the button, this is how you would program your memory height. So with the car off, you would walk to the back of the vehicle and open the door. You would position the liftgate to the height that you desire. Then you would walk back up to the memory height button, push it in, and while it's in, you come back and you'll press and hold the open and close button until it chirps. That is now the new height. So every time you open it while the memory button's up, it'll stop here. You can always still push it up, or if you turn off the memory height button, it will go full opening when you open the door. Now on the Outbacks and the other models that are now equipped with the new touchscreen, so it looks like that, it's a little bit different. For the memory height, all you have to do is open the door, set your desired height, and then just press and hold that close button till it chirps. If you ever want to disengage the memory height, in the touchscreen, there's an option to turn off the memory height. Hope that helps. Let me know if there's any future or further items that you would like me to address, and I will see if I can get a video. Have a great day.